Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel World of TREDEC. Still reviewing desktop models. Very impressive desktop models, the big ones. In this case I've got a military aircraft from the 80s. I think this is the inspiration of the C-17 Globemaster. It is as you see on the sign plate, the YC almost raised YC-15 from McDonnell Douglas. It is made in high density resin, not metal, and just in one piece except for the nozzles and the display stand. So it is in 1/96 scale. I took the dimensions. It measures 39 centimeters long by 40.5 centimeters wingspan. It is a high wing, the same concept of the C-17 Globemaster, but this is the minor brother, or the baby. I don't know how to call it, but it is so very attractive. The same shape of the same design of the tail, so I really like it. It is a high winged with 4 engines. The typical and distinctive whale tail. Very impressive aircraft, but it is short, very short, not a long fuselage. Well, I insist about the scale. It's not common scale, only 1/96 according to the measures. Well, it was made by the company is Pacific Miniatures Inc. Okay, at Alhambra, California. Okay, this very nice, high quality. The display stand is made in wood, high quality, and this arm for the display stand is made in aluminium. Very attractive, so elegant for any office, to display in any office. Okay, the Venezuelan army was planning to get a large fleet of this aircraft, but instead of this one they got the C130 Hercules. It's a pity. This aircraft is much better. I don't know what happened with that fleet. Anyway, some problems about this model were some chips on the corners, on the wingtips, and some broken parts I haven't repaired yet, like this part of the wing. And the other problem I found is in this part of the aircraft we got a lot of broken parts like this, and the only let me show you much better position. This is the only original nozzle that came with this model. This one was replaced by me. This is the tip for the super glue, painted in black. It's not the same, but believe me, it's looking much better. And these ones were missing, and I added these super bonder tips painted in black. So that's the restoration I made a little bit in order to improve it, the looking of this aircraft. Let's check some dihedral angles from nose to tail. I see this tail wing or wingtail, a little bit dropped if you compare with this one. This one, I think it is in much better position, but this one is not. It's kind of dropped. No problem, but I really like it anyway. Okay, this was for the Venezuelan army, but they never received any of these for the fleet, unfortunately. I really love this model, definitely, as like a minor bro of the C-17 Globemaster. Well, I think that's for now about this review. That's it. This is an easy review and very short review. So thank you very much for watching this video, and let's go on to the next review. Bye bye.